I want my Jamaican people to put their money where their mouth is because they're always saying they want this, they want that.
Just like gone on YouTube, figure your brain some new food.
Apparently, a lot of Jamaicans are in favor of Jamaica becoming a republic, but do not know how they can do anything about it. So for that reason, I'm going to use this video as a test and a tool. We're going to use this video to lobby for Jamaica becoming a republic. If you're in favor of Jamaica becoming a republic, give this video a thumbs up. And you could also state yes in the comment or extend your reason, but start your comment with the word yes. If you are not in favor of Jamaica becoming a republic, give this video a thumbs down and say no in the comment section and state your reason if you wish. Either way, I will accept yes or no. I've never asked anyone on this channel to share my videos, but this time I'm going to make an exception. If you're in favor of Jamaica becoming a republic, share the video with a friend. Ask the friend to share it with a friend. And again, I will repeat myself. If you're in favor of Jamaica becoming a republic, give this video a thumbs up. State yes in the comment section. If you're not in favor of Jamaica becoming a republic, give this video a thumbs down and state no in the comment section. For those of you who do not know the advantage or disadvantage of Jamaica becoming a republic, I'm going to state what I know off the back. I'm sure there are a lot of benefits of Jamaica becoming a republic, but first and foremost, if Jamaica pushed to become a republic, it means they would get rid of the head of state, who is the monarch at the moment, Queen Elizabeth II, Queen of Jamaica, Queen of England. That would also mean we would have no use for a governor general. So King's House would be vacant, or it would turn into something else that is more relevant to Jamaica and its independence. Speaking of independence, Jamaica becoming a republic would be transparently independent. It means Jamaicans would be fully 100% in charge of Jamaica. I know a lot of people will say, but Jamaicans at the moment are fully in charge of Jamaica. Not through the lens that I'm looking. As long as we have a head of state who is the queen of another country or many countries around the world, then Jamaica is definitely not 100% independent. If Jamaica become a republic, we will no longer have a prime ministerial system. Jamaica would move to a presidential system. It would also give Jamaicans more power when they are voting. They will have more of a choosing when it comes to who they want to be their MP and who they don't want to be their MP. Like I say, I'm using this video as a test and a tool. I want my Jamaican people to put their money where their mouth is because they're always saying they want this, they want that. But when it comes to making the action, it always get a bit sloppy around the edge. So this is very simple. All you have to do is give this video a thumbs up or give it a thumbs down. Make the video viral, make as much Jamaicans see it as possible, and if we get the right amount of number, then it will definitely get the attention of the House of Parliament and the Prime Minister of Jamaica. That's pretty much it for today, people, but before I go, I have to big up all of my subscribers who supports me in Patreon. First of all, I want to big up Malachi J. Big up yourself. I want to big up Supreme TV, and I want to big up Karen. Karen, big up yourself. And that's pretty much it for me today, people. Let me know what you think about this video. As you know, on this channel, I appreciate thumbs up and thumbs down because at the end of the day, people, each one teach one. You've reached the end of my video, and that in itself is a support that I truly appreciate. Other ways that you can support this channel is by giving this video a thumbs up. But the most important way to support my channel is to hit that subscribe button so you do not miss out on any of my future uploads. The third way to support this channel is to go to my Teespring account and purchase in any of my merch. And the fourth way that you can support this channel is joining me in Patreon to give me a contribution to help me to do what I do here on YouTube. Once again, I want to thank all of you guys for checking out my video and ask that you continue to join me, Ian T. Sabas, here on YouTube to see where my journey takes me. Until next time, peace.